This is the WoodTek pool toy organizer. It's made of vinyl, which helps prevent mold and rot. It has a slatted front, slatted bottom, flat top. The bottom slats is great for drainage. It comes with 3 bungee cords, a long one and 2 short ones. It helps you organize your pool toys in whatever way you wish. And you don't have to use them, you can unclip them. It also has 3 towel hooks and 3 mesh bags. And it has 2 wheels in the back for easy rolling. My favorite part about this is the top rail can be removed if you have large pool toys. Voila, there you go. Hope you enjoyed my video.